Hello everyone! I'm going to show you some truly incredible transformations, taking common household items destined for the trash and giving them exciting new lives. I'm starting with an empty plastic bottle. I'll carefully use a utility knife to cut off the label around the middle. This ensures the plastic is clean and smooth for our project. Next, I'll remove the cap and then cut the bottle into two main sections. With scissors, I'm going to make several even vertical cuts all the way around the plastic bottle. I'll cut off the very bottom ridge to make it a smooth cylinder. Moving on to our next item, I have a few old CDs here. I'll be using these to construct an essential part of our device. You might be wondering what these could possibly become. Stick around to find out. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the prepared CD, I'm now applying a strong adhesive around the center hole and then pressing a second CD directly on top. I'll make sure they are perfectly aligned and hold them firmly for a moment. This creates a double-layered, sturdier disc that forms the base of our next component. Now, I'm marking two equidistant points around the edge of the CD with a marker. Using my drill, I'll carefully bore a hole at each marked spot. These holes are crucial for mounting other parts securely, ensuring our final assembly is stable. I will insert two small screws into the holes I just drilled on the CD, making sure they are tightened with nuts. This creates a secure, elevated platform that will support the next stages of our project. For another part, I'm using an empty soda can. I'll drill a small hole into the bottom center of the can. This hole will serve as a mounting point later. With a piece of sandpaper, I'm now sanding the outer surface of the can bottom. This creates a clean, reflective metal surface, which helps maximize the device's efficiency. Now I'm carefully prying out the sanded bottom of the can. This part will be a vital reflective component. I'm repeating the same sanding process on the bottom of the can to remove the sharp edges. Next, I'm taking a length of copper wire and wrapping it tightly around a conical drill bit to form a spiral coil. This coil is going to act as a crucial antenna component for our device. Once tightly wound, I carefully slide it off the bit. I'm adjusting the coils, ensuring they are evenly spaced and then trimming any excess wire with pliers. This neat, spring-like shape is vital for its function. This copper coil is designed to optimize signal reception. I'm taking a small set of bolts and nuts and attaching them to the ends of the copper spring coil with a screwdriver. These nuts will serve as convenient connection points, making it easier to integrate the coil into a larger circuit. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm now disassembling a connector block, removing the small brass inserts and nuts. These tiny parts will be used as connectors, allowing for accurate and safe electrical contact. I'm attaching this brass connector to the specific nut on the spring coil wire. This creates stable contact points for integrating it with other components, ensuring good conductivity and signal flow. I'm securing one side of the coiled antenna to one of the screws on our CD base. I'll tighten the connection with a screwdriver to ensure it's firm and stable. I'm taking the sanded can bottom and attaching it to another screw on the CD base. This piece will act as a reflector, enhancing the antenna's performance. Using a soldering iron, I'm carefully soldering the reflector plate to the screws on the CD. This connection is vital for creating a complete circuit and ensuring the reflector effectively contributes to signal strength. You can see the solder melting and forming a strong bond. I'm taking a small wooden block and gluing the plastic bottle base onto it using a hot glue gun. This provides a stable and raised platform for our main assembly, elevating the antenna for better reception. With the soldering iron, I'm creating a small hole in the plastic bottle. This hole will be used to thread a cable through, allowing for a clean and secure connection to the antenna. I'm taking a black coaxial cable and threading it through the hole I just made in the plastic bottle. I'll then separate the shield from the central conductor. I'm carefully exposing the core wire and twisting the braided shield. This ensures a neat and organized connection, preparing it for the antenna. I'm threading the coaxial cable through the CD. Using a hot glue gun, I'm applying glue around the connection points of the coaxial cable to the antenna. Next, I'm attaching the central core and braided sheath of the coaxial cable to the screws on the CD. This establishes the main signal path from the antenna. Now, on the other end of the coaxial cable, I'm stripping the insulation again to prepare it for the TV connector. This is where we'll attach the F-type connector for direct input to the television. I'm attaching an F-type connector to the end of the coaxial cable, ensuring a strong and reliable signal transmission to the TV. This standardized connector makes it compatible with most televisions. For added protection and stability, I'm wrapping electrical tape around the newly installed F-type connector. This prevents any short circuits and keeps the connection secure. And there you have it, our complete DIY TV antenna. It's ready for the moment of truth. You can see the screen currently showing no signal, but let's see if our DIY creation can change that. I'm connecting the homemade antenna to the back of the television. Wow! Look at that! Instant clear reception. Our DIY antenna is working perfectly, pulling in channels with amazing clarity. I'm even able to browse through different channels, and the signal remains strong and stable. The picture quality is excellent, proving that this simple setup is incredibly effective. Who knew a plastic bottle and old CDs could bring you so much entertainment? I'm continuously switching channels to demonstrate the consistent signal strength across various broadcasts. Every channel is coming in perfectly clear, just like a professionally made antenna. It's truly amazing. To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. If you enjoyed this unique project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected items you'd like to see me transform. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.